You should watch Brad Garlinghouse's clip from this episode. We didn't show you the last video. We are going to play this video for you. Do not be alarmed. This is merely the commencement of the video. Please take a seat, unwind, and let us delve into this stint. $64,500 worth of Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Ethereum has increased by 68%, closing at $3,500 and is currently up roughly 1%. Not only is XRP going to reach 49 cents, but USD and USD are also approaching their dollar pegs. My dog is attempting to enter at 487. You've probably heard him perform a song and dance. He's wearing a cone on his head located behind me. He's had leg surgery and he's uncomfortable this morning. He's driving me crazy. He looks at me and sobs while moving left and right. I have no idea what he desires. He wants to quit. All he needs to do is take his medication, go to sleep, and feel better. Nevertheless, he wants to make a decision and take on the entire Bitcoin market. The cap at $2 trillion, trillion, or $364 billion. Go to the XRP store right now. We've shown you the whiskey sets. These Bitcoin cups are the newest and cutest things. They must have a sizable Bitcoin holding. Fans, pay attention. Those mugs are excellent. The orange one with the Bitcoin engraving looks really good. Legal experts assert that XRP has potential legal implications. The court was established for the following reasons: a security system should be secure in California but not in New York. Fred states that he will probably settle the case to avoid a potentially disastrous jury verdict and severely modest damages. In summary, the court states that it is not a matter of law but rather for the jury to determine whether XRP qualifies as a security in the context of retail purchases on exchanges. Ultimately, the cryptocurrency community must persist in advocating for federal legislation as the anticipation of XRP a security in California differs from that in New York, where Torres, erroneous judge has made XRP-specific decisions. This is not a guarantee. One cannot simply go ahead and act in a certain way. I'm a small-time Californian judge, so I guess it's security. Texas then inquires, is there a security boy? To which New York replies, bro, no security boy. No, like in the United States, the term security does not exist. Simple B being B. All right, recorded in the books. If you don't trust me, here's Brad Garlinghouse. You will likely depart. Brad Garlinghouse reports that many others have taken notice and some have even taken action. Publishers have published numerous false headlines, some of which contain factual errors. A California judge ruled on the class action case against XRP yesterday. The fact that people are correcting them fills me with joy. This is a significant victory. The lawsuit's class action claims face rejection, and the decision doesn't alter or contradict the New York court's conclusion that XRP doesn't qualify as a security. The California court dismissed all claims that Ripple had sold XRP in violation of federal security laws. The one state lawsuit that remains will go to trial. I only owe a few hundred XRP and PLF did not purchase it directly from Ripple. I'm not even sure if he received the announcement before trading. This demonstrated the trolls' unsuccessful attempts to manipulate statements to obtain hundreds of millions of dollars in class action settlements through the U.S. legal system. Finally, I stand by my statements and look forward to providing more information about them during the trial. Who remembers this guy? I can't remember his name at this point. Purchased a few hundred worth of XRP as soon as the price dropped. He began a kick and scream demanding to have you. Now that he has lost $50, he intends to sue for hundreds of millions. People will sue for anything these days. I think back to my younger years. That must have been 15 or 20 years ago. I decided not to go on dates with myself anymore. McDonald's faced legal action for serving excessively hot coffee. There are real people in this world who would attempt to sue or file the lawsuit for a minor matter simply because they feel like it. They appear to be trying to take me through a shortcut, but I'm uncertain if it meets the criteria. Whatever you call it, they are essentially just trying to earn a living these days. They're attempting to accumulate a large sum of money to set them up for life and prevent them from ever having to work again. They'll file 40, 50, and 60 lawsuits suing for anything and everything, and perhaps they'll remain grouped. People are insane in this world. That's how they can profit from it. XRP, despite its disregard, is not a security. And point, I started it here. If we simplify the narrative, we can understand it better. This week, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, spoke with CNBC's Crypto World about the Fair Shake PAC and how the cryptocurrency community is uniting to play a significant significant role in the U.S. elections in 2024. Pay attention. As previously mentioned, this is a turning point for crypto, his team, and anyone trying to catch up in Washington, D.C. This is an industry that has lagged in Washington and has been defensive against some presumably ignorant, and occasionally, whether on purpose or not I'm not sure, but seriously those attempting to destroy cryptocurrency in the U.S. at a time when we want the country to be among the financial hubs of this new wave of technology. Well, we want the U.S. to be the epicenter of this new wave of technologies. Of course, for this reason we need pro-crypto individuals and government. Trump in favor of cryptocurrency. John Young's goal is to conquer Massachusetts. We need forward-thinking individuals here, not members of the old elite, to be pro-crypto. The vintage aesthetic is present. We were relieved to learn about Clayton and Henman. I kind of feel like Gensler made a terrible decision, at least compared to Clayton. Diner's choice seems worse. These deals on brown paper bags are no secret. Despite their selective behavior, you still made an effort to advance cryptocurrency. Gensler, the winner, is simply itching to attack. He doesn't care about anything or everything. He wants to approach you, but he only wants to make money, right? He doesn't care where you are, where you live, or what your name is. Cop states that the ultimate decision in the Ripple stable coin litigation should arrive any month now. If a Ripple IPO were to occur, which I believe would happen in 2025, it would likely have no impact on the price of XRP. The only possible outcome of an IP would be an opportunity to gain deeper insights into Ripple's operations. This process is taking place in the background, as you may be aware. Will this affect how much the XRP pump costs? Undoubtedly, the outcome of a case will make you feel good. As community members, you are aware that there may be a slight surge in price, and a 100% XRP ETF will provide support. The stable currency, which will support the price since it runs on the XRP ledger, is particularly important when we observe institutional money entering the market. Experts on XRP assert that if it uses the XRP ledger, it has fulfilled all requirements to get to 30. This one was spoken by whom I've never heard of, Tai, but it sounds like XRP has checked all the boxes and met the standards to move forward with Wave 3 of Wave 5, which is essentially what he's looking at. As we wrap this off, is he trying to find this? The 2020 to 2021 bull run undoubtedly ended abruptly, following the same trajectory as it did at its extreme peak in 2017. XRP wasn't the only cryptocurrency that experienced a brief halt. The lawsuit wasn't to blame, and 95% of cryptocurrencies didn't reach an all-time high. You can say that the law influenced this, but most cryptocurrencies didn't reach all-time high because people didn't realize that the market showed that he thinks we'll see the same run we witnessed in 2017. That should that occur, $36 appears to be in XRP, and double digits are still within reach for this bull cycle. This is what I've been telling you about what's been happening in this channel for several months. What matters most is the outcome at the end of the year, specifically whether we surpass 75 cents and reach the $1 threshold. If XRP doesn't break 75 cents by the end of the year and holds, we may be looking at a double-digit XRP. We seem to be in a terrible situation. We still have 6 months, so we're going to be focusing on the lower end of the targets. It's somewhat excessive trying to determine the direction of this project is premature. We will conduct a thorough assessment in advance of Q3 and Q4, and you'll likely receive a detailed schedule for this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more new videos.